Alright, so if we look at this example here, you see how we have m on the left side? We actually have it multiple times. We have m on the left side and m on the right side of our equal sign here. Because of that, we have to handle it kind of in a different way. So the first thing is we need to simplify each side of the equation, which remember is called an expression. Okay, so just imagine we've got our equal sign splitting our problem into two. I'm going to look at the left side here. So if I look at the left side, I'm going to notice that I have a 5m, and then I have a negative m. Those are my like terms over here. And technically this is a negative 1m, so it may be a good idea to put that 1 in there. So if I combine those are going to give me 4m. Then I'm just going to bring down this plus 1, because I can't do anything with it. There's no like terms on this side of the equal sign for it. I'm also going to check the right side. 2m and 9, they are not like terms, so I'm just going to bring them down along with my equal sign. All right, this is where it's a little different. So we need to use inverse operations to get the variable on one side. Now, something I want you to keep in mind. You will only add or subtract to move an entire term. Okay, so for example, I've got a 4m and a 2m. I need to get them on the same side so I can combine them. I'm going to move the smaller one. So I'm going to move this 2m. So this is a positive 2m. The opposite of that is actually a negative 2m. So you will only add or subtract, so I want to move the entire thing. Okay? And then I'm going to write it underneath the like term on this side as well. Because what's going to happen is 2m minus 2m equals 0. So all I will have left on the right side is 9, because these two will cancel each other out. And then I'm going to combine these. 4m minus 2m gives me 2m. And I'm going to bring down this plus 1 that did not change. At this point, guys, you've got a two-step equation, so we can now just solve the equation. So I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. I'll get 2m is equal to 8. And then I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides to get that m is